Hi, I'm Nick from Heath, and we're here at ISE 2018, and we're showcasing dLive install solutions. So it's a range of solutions for fixed installations of different applications. The mix engine here is a DM0, which is just one of 7 different types of engines that we can offer in the dLive range, and it's capable of hundreds of system inputs and outputs with a full matrix capability, with seamless format conversion between Dante, Waves, MADI, AES, and analog digital input, analog or digital inputs and outputs. You can expand the brain with many I/O options. We have fixed format I/O options, for example a DX164W, which can be mounted in a wall or on a wall in a stage floor pocket. There's portable DX expansion options as well, like the 16.8 pictured over here, and modular expanders as well. We have a range of control options, including software and apps and touchscreen editors for Windows or Mac PC or Mac computers. We have a range of dedicated remote controllers as well, with the motorized faders or rotary controls, including wall plates in American or European form factor and black or white, which can be used to control a level or maybe for source selection in a room, or for preset changes. So for example, I can change configuration of a room from meeting to cinema or lecture and so on. There's personal monitoring solutions and control surfaces, GPIO interfaces, hubs for further I/O expansion. So it's a scalable and very flexible solution for install. For any more information, you can visit our website at allenheath.com. Thank you.